Alright, how you doing, guys? Today is very early morning, but we wake up so early because we're gonna have a sea walker. So we're gonna walk underneath the ocean. So cool, isn't it?
Yeah, so we just arrived in Puri Santrian Hotel and we will have, like Damian said, we will have sea walker walking under the sea, and let's see what we're gonna do next. So I already get changed. Now it's time for me to put the special shoes when we see walker down. Later on we have to wear special shoes.
Please explore beautiful underwater in Bali. Sea walker is a very...
Alright, so now I already got breathing inside before, and now we just put on our life jacket. So make sure that everything is everything is safety.
You still sleepy, sayang?
No, I just feel like I'm a little bit nervous.
Oh, don't be stressed.
Yeah.
I can't even swim.
Let's see how it is.
We are walking to the harbor or somewhere on the beach, waiting for the boat.
Yeah, well, actually because the water is quite low tide today. Normally that whenever you want to go to sea walker, the boat just right in front will be ready just right in front of the hotel. But unluckily, as you see around here, the tide is very, very low, so we need to walk around 500 meters just to get on the boat. We need to go to the small harbor actually.
Yeah. The way I just wanna say is it's our group, it's count 6 people, but I'm only one, Bule, as you know, as the white person. The rest of course we need from Bali, and the rest of the people are from Indonesia, so the local tourists. That's how it looks, the tourism in Bali nowadays.
So alright, so now we are in a small boat actually, so we will go to the pontoon here, over there, maybe just around 200 meters from here. So when we arrive in the pontoon, and then later on we will jump under the water and see the sea animals under the water.
It's time for the sea
Yes,
walk.
so now it's time to go down, and then we will do sea walker and see how beautiful under the water.
Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about our curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret.
Thank you, brother.
So we are just after Seawalker. How do you feel?
Well, actually that we just finished Seawalker when it was, you know, when we just go down, I feel like something happened in my ear, like my ear blocked something, but I feel so lucky that the instructor always guide me like what you need to do. Okay, do something and like this. So yeah, I feel so good, you know, they're really good and they are very professional. So when we go down, when we walk, we see the beautiful fishes with the coral reef. Oh my god, this is like a paradise under the sea. So good.
Alright, we are just after the Seawalker. This is our boat, and it was super cool experience. Actually, for me, it was the first time in my life. When you had one.
Yes, I had one
So,
before, long
super
time ago.
cool.
Super cool, actually. That, you know, when we walk under the sea and then watching the beautiful fish under the water. So cool.
Super cool and
one
fully
thing-
recommended,
Yeah,
for
it's-
everyone if you would like to try.
Yeah, we really recommend it, and then they are very professional to guide
Yeah.
you wherever.
Actually, honestly, I can't swim, so and I made this, so
yeah, but you
really,
didn't feel scared,
Yeah,
right?
no, not really.
Yeah.
really no problem at all. Alright, but honestly, I would like to have a coffee now.
Yeah, let's have a coffee.
Yeah, let's have a coffee, guys. nice coffee. So we're gonna have a small breakfast with coffee, as you can see over here. Super cool. They have a super cool promotion because this the pancake with cappuccino or this tiramisu with cappuccino is just 45k plus tax. It's like a 50k. It's like a $350. So super cool deal. And this is the Puri Central Hotel in Sanur. If you're curious about, it's like a, I think it's 5-star hotel. So crazy price, and of course positive crazy. It's quite sad as it's so quiet, as you can see. Yeah, Winnie is busy. She got a very important call and she's disappeared for already 15 minutes. Oh, she's coming finally. Yes, honey. I'm just talking about the food and everything because, you know.
Oh my god, look at this one.
Yeah, look at this. This is, like I said, this set cappuccino and the pancake or tiramisu just 50k, $350, 5-star hotel. Is amazing. Yeah. How are you? You finished your business talk?
Yeah, just have a phone call, quite long.
Quite long. Yeah. Okay, enjoy saying. Yeah. Hold on, I will make one more shot, so I will show you where we sit, because the seat where we are is also cool.
Alright, so I have a tiramisu and also hot cappuccino after tiramisu. Oh my god, I wanna try.
Must be nice.
So good.
What's that? Cream? Whipped cream? Nice. And that's my pancake with the fresh fruit. So nice. And once again, this is not the paid endorsement, as you can see, but the price just 106k for all. Nice, isn't it? Worth it?
Yeah, I wanna try your pancake.
That's my pancake. Give me my tiramisu. I wanna try tiramisu. You must be hungry after Sea Walker, aren't you?
Try it. So good.
Big thumb up.
So good.
Really good. Alright guys, we are after the Sea Walker, of course, and the breakfast, coffee. This is the big chess place to play. That's actually quite famous in Bali. And yeah, and I think that will be enough for today's vlog, because the sense of the under the sea is quite long.
Alright, so I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching us and following us when we are doing Sea Walker, and then we have our coffee. Wow, that's really good day today.
Yeah.
Right? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow guys. New vlog every day 7 PM Bali time, GMT +8. See ya, bye.